Is your Polestar 2 stuck on the infotainment system starting screen? It's a common issue, often after software updates or system glitches. The problem stems from the Android Automotive OS. A quick fix is a hard reboot. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This clears temporary memory and gets you back on the road. If rebooting doesn't fix the problem, move on to the next step, which is clearing the cache. If a reboot doesn't work, try clearing the system cache. Enter diagnostic mode by pressing volume up, volume down, and power simultaneously. Consult your manual for exact steps. Wipe the cache to free up RAM and resolve conflicts. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. But remember, this erases personal data. Back up your information first. Polestar can also remotely clear the cache. If problems persist, contact Polestar support for diagnostics. Regular software updates are key to preventing this issue in the future.